Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, guess what this is? This right here is the same bat that I use to do the gender reveal for my little baby boy. So we're going to reveal something else today. Damn plastic shit. So welcome back to another episode of the Brokebimmerguy. As you guys know, this right here is my beautiful 335i. It's got some nice little black accents to it. Got my blue fin right there, blacked out reflectors. But that is not why I'm here. The reason I'm here today is because this thing here is plastic and it broke on me, and I'm upset about it. So now I have to replace it. Sorry about my dogs. That's Magic and Houdini right there. Great dogs, great dogs. But hey, let's get on replacing this thing. Like I said, I am not doing a tutorial. It is more just a get it done type of thing, but you're going along for the ride with me. All right, so first off, I've already taken this one out of the box. This is the brand new one here. Still made of plastic, but it's a genuine BMW piece bought at the BMW dealership. Now, with these things here, the biggest things about these is they tend to crack because it's made out of plastic, and it's made out of a two-piece plastic piece here. So they're actually molded together right here at the seams, and on most people's cars, the seams are where it actually starts to crack from. And mine has started way over here. Now, eventually, like I said, I'm going to clean this thing off, but right now I'm just working on the maintenance portion. So first things first, I've already unscrewed these a little bit, so they're only hand tight right now. So all I gotta do is finish unscrewing these two. There's a part that holds in a little grommet down here that I gotta take off. I gotta take these two hoses off of here, and there is a blue clip that leads to the sensor for the coolant level sensor. Then once I pull these things off of here, then I will replace it with the new one. So hang tight. Like I said, I just got to take off these little clips there, clip down there, and these two. All right, so the new one is going in now. So I just put the coolant sensor back in. So that little green grommet right there is what that piece slides into. So once you get it down in there, let's see from this side. Once you get it in there, just push down and it is set. And of course you want to make sure these lines line up here. And I got that down there just to catch some of that excess coolant that was there as well. So the next thing I do is do everything in reverse. I'm gonna hook up these connectors, the bottom one, the top one, and then I get to fill it back up with coolant and bleed the system. Let's get it. All right, so we got the coolant expansion tank back in the car, and now we're gonna fill it up with some antifreeze. So the one I got here is the Peak Original Equipment Technology. Not sponsored at all, but maybe one day. Hopefully not, because I don't want to do this ever again. Anyway, European vehicles, antifreezes for BMWs and all that blah, 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 blah. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and fill up this tank, bleed the system by letting the water pump prime and do its thing. And we shouldn't have this problem for quite another long time. All right, let's get it done. This lights. Okay, and there we go. There we go. Now that I got some light, I can see. Dang. Already got it all over. let's head into the car and let's see if I can remember how to do this. You see I got it above the max fuel line. There we go. So we'll head back into the car and see if I remember how to do the prime properly. So we're gonna turn the ignition to this position. Heat all the way up to 84. Lower motor on 1. I think that's about it. No defrost, no none of that, blah, blah, blah.
Trap on Hip Hop Nation.
Turn that down. And then we hold down the accelerator pedal for roughly 12 seconds. I should hear something. There it goes. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, so I did the water pump bleed. Now I'm just making sure there are no more leaks from the hoses that I took off. So far I'm not seeing any. Let the pressure build up in the system. And let everything work its way through. And that, my friends, right there is how you basically change over the coolant reservoir. I mean, if you wanted a more in-depth tutorial, I'm probably not the guy for you. But the simplicity of it is really not that bad. I mean, honestly, it's 2 screws, 2 little clips that come, 2 little clips that hold the hoses in, and that's pretty much it. A sensor at the bottom. But other than that, it's really simple, man. Then let it bleed, the bleeding process. And then call it a great day. Thanks for checking out Brokebimmerguy.